Hopefully this is recording my voice and it's not getting missed. But anyhow, let's just drive a tank out here. Spin in my thingum around. Grab another tank. Oh, that's not another tank. Let's grab another tank. So we can select the different tanks. Not a problem. Let's go inside that tank. Oop. Whoa. Okay, that's a bug. I must have a zero indexing error. It deletes the current tank, so I'm gonna have to have a look at that. Interesting. Okay. There's no problem when the camera mode is like this. Oh yeah, there is. Yeah. Alright. I see what's happening now. Anyhow. Bullets are working. Oh, not too bad. Rapid fire is not too bad. They track what they hit, but there's no explosion at the impact point yet. Oh well. Day-night cycle is cheesily fast right now, but that's fine. Yeah. Seems to be working just fine. Alright. Well, that's a little tiny update. Definitely have the projectiles working a lot better now. I'm just gonna have to figure out that impact switching active tank bug. I'm too tired to do that now, so heck with that. Anyhow, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.